In this quick video, I will show you how to stake Baby Doge Coin step by step. So the first step is to go to babydodgeswap.com and click Connect Wallet. You can choose any of these wallets, but we're going to use MetaMask. Click Switch Network, go to Earn here, and click Pools. And then you can choose any of these two options where you can stake both Baby Doge, but on the first one you can earn Baby Doge, and on the second one is that you can earn SWIP. So let's try this first one. Just click details here, click deposit, and choose any of these options, but we're going to click 50% only. Click enable, click confirm, and then click confirm. And now you can see here that I have deposited this amount of Baby Doge, and you can harvest your rewards here and withdraw your Baby Doge. On the other hand, you can also choose farms here. So for example, we're going to choose this and click deposit, and you will gonna need to get a BNB Baby Doge pair. So you will need to add a liquidity here, choose a valid pair. So for example, I want a pair of BNB and Baby Doge, so I will click here and click BNB and click add liquidity. And now you can set the amount of BNB and Baby Doge you want, but make sure that it is equal. So for example, I will choose the maximum amount of Baby Doge here, and as you can see, it automatically fill up the amount, so this value and this value are equal. So once you have typed down the amount of Baby Doge and BNB you want, click enable Baby Doge, click confirm, and then click supply. Click confirm supply, click confirm, and click close. Go to farms here, click deposit, and then I will choose the maximum amount, then click confirm. But since I have insufficient funds, I will not be able to confirm this, but you will need to confirm this, and then once you have confirmed this, you will now be able to see your deposit of BNB and Baby Doge period here in my deposit, and your minimum lock time, you will see it here, the early withdrawal fee. And if you have any questions about how to stake Baby Doge Coin, leave a comment below.